YouTube. I don't know what Snoop Dogg put up in this. 19 Crimes. Cali Red. So strong, like beyond strong. Beyond strong. I'm sitting here like, it's hot in here. Like, Snoop made that. He did that shit. He he did that shit. He did it. I don't know what he put up in here. But this is life. I took like 2 shots. Like, you gotta shot this one out. And I'm like, I'm burning up in here. Wig finna slide off. Like, I was like, what did he put up in here? They need to put this in a club. Like, this is a club drink. Shots, because gonna be told. My grandma was all like, I took this home. I drank half the bottle and I was gone. I said, let me go try it. I took 2 sips. I was all like, he trying to kill us. This is that alcohol that belong in the club. Okay, I don't know. But this is strong. Tell me what y'all think. If y'all tried this, let me know, because this is fire.